Second, I like to mention about my birthday. There's so many people has started 1 month before, like happy birthday Monal Gajjar, happy birthday Monal Gajjar, 16 days to go, 15 days to go, 25 days to go, 30 days to go. Guys, it's my request, please, if you want to do something on my birthday, if you want to plan something, I want you to gift me something which everybody can. So from Repu nunchi, save 1 or 2 rupees aside. Put a 1 or 2 rupees aside every day. 1 rupees or 2 rupees. I think 16 days left or 15 days, whatever. So you probably save 30 rupees. Okay. What you can do this, you can buy some banana, or you can buy 1 kg of wheat flour, or you can just give it to somebody who can have food. You can give it to somebody who's your neighbor or comes next to your home for a food, or some people always ask for money. You can feed them. You can literally give them a meal. I want you all to do this. నా బర్త్డేనో ఒక చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే అందరికీ ఒక మీల్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఒక మీల్ అంటే యూ కెన్ గివ్ బనానా, యూ కెన్ గివ్, యూ కెన్ మేక్ అమ్మ కుక్ చేస్తే యూ కెన్ సే మమ్మ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ సాంబార్ రైస్ పెట్టండి ఈరోజు. గివ్ సంబడి లైక్ ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్తో ఆర్ ఎనీబడి who's nearby. And again, don't come in the contact literally when you are even going. Wear a hand gloves, wear a mask or something, and just give it. One person. I think right now ఇప్పుడు almost 3,000 people is watching us, almost 3,000. So అందరికీ ఒకటి రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే, if 3,000 people will serve one person, only one person food, one person to ఒక meal ఇస్తే బాగుంటుంది. Because I think we have to be prepared for another lockdown. You never know what will happen. So let's do good thing. Let's not spend money on cake. Let's not spend money on flowers. Just let's feed somebody who need a food. Okay, we are so blessed. We have everything. Like I have good family. I have good house. I have a good car. I have good people like you all. So let's ఈ రోజు నుంచి ఒక ప్రామిస్ చేయండి. You all will feed one person, one people. Please, one people ne feed cheste, I will be very happy. So on my birthday, ee roju nunchi or repu nunchi, start saving 1 rupees or 2 rupees adi chalu. Okay, I'm saying 1 or 2 rupees only, no more than 1 2 rupees. We're gonna give a meal to one person and one person will eat. This will be a really really great help for andarki. And let's make a world a better place. I think this is so very very important. So I want to talk about this long time back. I want you to plan 1 month before, so it will be somewhere 30 rupees you can plan. But now still it's not late. I'm still 15 days early, so we can at least save 15 rupees if you're saving 1 rupees in a day. So who all are ready to save tomorrow nunchi 1 rupees or 2 rupees for me? Whoever is ready, send me a red heart. Oh sorry, green heart. Green matlab yes kada. So green heart. Send me a green heart. मुझे green heart भेजिए. If you are be with me, if you want to celebrate my birthday with me, we're gonna feed one person. It's a promise. This promise, you have to send me a 1 green heart. And once you will send me this big green heart, I will understand you are with me. So hi, and I'm expecting your so many green heart so we can feed so many people. So Monal Gajjar _queen has sent me a green heart. Oh, Mayank right? Mayank Pandey sent me a green heart. Chana, thank you Karan Kanpura, thank you Jainiku, thank you Mauni, thank you so much. Navya Junu, thank you so much. Call me Kishi. Oh my god. Ramadevi, thank you so much. Ramadevi, I got your messages. Thank you so much. Supriya Rowdy Pilla, thank you. So Pravina Viru, thank you so much. Andarki okate request, green heart it's gonna be a symbol for we are helping people, we are taking care of one person for a one day meal. You just tell mama to make one person food extra, and we can feed a neighbor also, we can feed anybody. So Bangaram 143, thank you so much for so many hearts. So I consider this one green heart as one meal for me. From my side, you all are ready to feed one person. I am super happy. Jagannath, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Riddhi. Nikita, thank you. Bhaskar Rao, thank you. Oh my god. Oh my god, you people are so nice. The Srinu is sending me lavender hearts. So Srinu, lavender heart ante enti? Yes or no? Em cheptunnaru? Okay. Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you. Love you, honey ba. Thank you so much. So andarki thank you so much for this, and I want you all, whoever is recording this live, I will like to request you all, please ఈ మెసేజ్ అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి. ఆల్ గ్రూప్లో, అకినల్ గ్రూప్లో, సోకినల్ గ్రూప్లో, శామ్లో, మాస్లో, మోనలియన్స్, అందరూ ఒక్కటే అయి వీ హ్యావ్ టు feed everybody. So there is no difference with anybody. So naku okate, I believe in only one thing. If I love you all, you love me with whole heart. Okay, so if you love somebody and if you really want to do something for somebody, from tomorrow nunchi start saving 1 rupees. 1 rupees or 2 rupees, not more than 2 rupees. 2 rupees chalo, and everybody can afford this money. And let's celebrate my birthday with a meal. And one more thing I would like to say, when you are sharing your meal with somebody, you can say Jai Shri Krishna to that person, have a selfie, you can make a story, and I will tag you on my page. I will put you on my story. Share with me. You can share in any of Monal Gajjar fan pages. They will definitely share with me. I'll share the story on my platform. And thank you so much everybody for so much love. Thank you so much.